My name is Leigh Anne Lester, and I'm the artist of a variety of forms recovering from transubstantiated clarity here in the McNay. My work is inspired by genetic modification in plants. I end up doing drawings and cut paper and sculpture that is informed by research that I do about locales, environment, geographical locations, the way that plants reproduce, the propagation of plants, and I end up doing research on the plants that I use in my work and then end up creating mutant plant visually, whereas in genetic modification you can do it through the DNA that you find in the plants. So you can alter things. I'm altering them visually. The work that you see in the AT&T Lobby is a collaboration of the drawings that I've done and the cut paper pieces. So originally that work ended up being separate research and information about this mutated plants that I ended up creating visually. And I ended up taking that information and then layering them with one another. I ended up taking the drawings that I did the research on and processing them through a computer that ended up simplifying the straightforward botanical information into color cells that then found their way into a collaboration with the cut paper pieces in layering that simplification, the color cell, onto the information that was found on the cut paper pieces. All of the paper is hand cut by me. The color cells that you see that are the former information of the drawings end up being hand colored by me as well. If you really get up and look at the information that you see on the cut paper pieces, you'll find that there's maybe a gourd that's a very straightforward circular gourd, but if you look through the whole piece, you'll start to find smaller, distorted, mutated, out of whack visually gourds that find their way in. What I do with my artwork is to make people think about what's happening in nature around them, but to also slow down and actually pay attention to some of the repeat information, the distortion of that repeat information, and realize that even though it's a wonderful thing that we've made all these scientific advances, we can end up having inability to control, once it's placed back into nature, an inability to control what happens after that point.